Negligence is the basis for casualty losses, and in order to successfully pursue a claim against another for negligence, the plaintiff must prove harm. This is typically done by proving injuries, property damages, and other types of harm in a court or through arbitration. It isn't enough to simply show that the defendant failed to exercise reasonable care. In the event of a successful negligence claim, damages will be awarded to the plaintiff in the form of monetary compensation. The type of monetary award is based on the loss itself and can consist of special damages or general damages. Special damages are those awarded for actual tangible losses that can be proven. This might be for things like loss of income, medical treatment costs, transportation, or funerals in the event of death. On the other hand, general damages include awards for losses due to issues such as pain and suffering or mental anguish. General damages can even be awarded for what is called loss of consortium, or the loss of a loved one. These types of damages are much more difficult to attach a dollar value to. None of these harmful events are quantifiable in terms of the monetary value associated with the loss. They are heavily subjective, and depending on the case, award amounts vary widely. The last portion of this section covered compensatory and punitive damages. Compensatory damages are awarded to compensate the harmed party for damages and are intended to make up for the loss actually incurred by the damaged party. Punitive damages are meant to punish the wrongdoer and serve as a deterrent to others. Our next section of the course introduces you to the structure of policies by looking at the four main components of a policy. We'll look at certain definitions used in the contract, methods by which a contract may be altered through the use of endorsements, and certain no-fault contract provisions. One area sometimes overlooked by producers when selling policies are the supplementary coverages offered in many property and casualty contracts. For example, if an insured is sued for a negligent act, many insurance policies' supplemental coverage will provide benefits for court costs, attorney fees, and other associated costs. Lawyers are expensive, and court costs can be extremely high. According to statistics, a simple case with few experts needed will average about $15,000 for court costs, the lawyer, and other expenses. It's good to know that the policy will provide coverage for these needs.